how to buy KernelDAO token. So this token came under the symbol of Kernel. Now before we start, this is not financial advice. I'm not professional or economic expert, so before investing in any project that you found on my channel, please do your own research. And also there is a referral code down in the description. You can get free money rewards on crypto with the best referral code. Simply use codes below, fund your account, enjoy the benefits. Check them out in the description. Now before going on by this token, make sure to check the X account and keep following the updates about this token. And now as you can see, if you check this post from MEXC listing account, you'll be able to see this post. They said here that the token is in pre-marketing or pre-market trading, sorry. So the time it will be the April 7 at 7 UTC. So if you go to MEXC and you search for it, as you can see, so if you just copy the token name from here and you go to your MEXC account and paste it, and after that click on this pair that have USDT. They said here that this token is coming soon. Now we show you how to buy it if it listed on that date. Now we show you one example of USDT or PayPath like that. So after you type the token name, click on the pair that have USDT. Now so you click on it, but before that, if you don't have an account in MEXC, go down the description and you will be able to find the referral link on create an account in MEXC to benefit from rewards and fund your account in some USDT. Now let's continue. Now after you type the token name, and as you can see, click on limits here, and you can type here how much you want to buy of that token. So here you will be able to see this, to see the total that you should pay of that USDT on your account, and click on buy kernel. Now if you like to buy with market option, just drag it to set how much percentage that you want to use of that USDT on your account in order to use it to buy this token. So this is how to buy kernel token. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe. See you next video.